Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting signed in. Open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac, then tap your name. Enter your Apple ID and password. This links your device to iCloud. Once done, make sure two-factor authentication is active and the device is on Wi-Fi so large uploads won't stall. If you're on a Mac, click Apple menu right arrow System Settings right arrow Apple ID. On iPhone, tap your profile at top of settings. These steps ensure iCloud photo library can sync securely and reliably. Next, you enable iCloud photos so images move to iCloud. On iPhone, go to Settings, right arrow your name, right arrow iCloud, right arrow Photos, and toggle iCloud Photos on. Choose Optimize Storage if you need local space. Once done, your device starts uploading. This may take time depending on size and connection speed. On Mac, open System Settings, click Apple ID, then iCloud and check Photos. Make sure you pick the storage option that fits your disk. These choices control how and where Finally, you access the library. Open the Photos app on any signed-in device or sign in at iCloud. To view everything from a browser. Make sure upload's finished by checking the Photos status. If items say uploading, leave the device plugged in and on Wi-Fi. If things go wrong, first verify iCloud storage isn't full and then try toggling iCloud Photos off and on, or restart your device to force a resync. That usually clears transient errors and resumes syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.